Yeah, welcome back. We got the oven back again now. I took some screws off. Now we're gonna try to do this a little bit. I don't know. That was loud. Okay, there we go. Okay, just gonna take out this piece then. Because I don't really like freaking everything today. I can't move my phone. Just leave it separate for now. That's very lopsided now. This crap is like spilled. Yummy, right? Okay, so we got. Let's see what happens when you hold heat up to a knob. Let's see. Took out my hammer. Super large capacity. It says. Let's see. The way to remove it from the hinges. But look at how little this capacity is. They just lie. Let's see what happens when you put grass in it. This could be very catastrophic. Let's just empty this. Tray. Plastic light. If I go light tilted on the side, I can go it. This part is very boring. There's 3 minutes into the video and just unscrewing screws. I hate screws. I'm trying to hold it with my hand. Give it a second. Okay, does this come off? That's what this thing is supposed to be, right? Gosh, it smells terrible in here. That smells like burn. How surprising. Okay, now does this come off? Do it come out now? No. Oh my God, this. Goodbye. Does this still work? Oh wow. No more playing with fire. Now let's go bring this stupid thing to the trash where it belongs. You. Let's go. It's too loud. That could have been bad. Why doesn't it just stay open? That's terrible, but yeah. Let's see. Let's see. That's so terrible. Let's see this. Okay, what does this thing say? Morning, empty crumb tray after every use. I don't think someone did that. Does this thing even open? Of course not, more screws. I don't want this thing to be too loud. Hang on. It has to do this, otherwise it's a hazard. Listen. So they put mercury in these. Yeah, it's so loud. Yeah, I don't like this. So that is gonna do it, I guess. Very boring 2 videos, but now you're gonna don't do this in a nice neighborhood, because you're gonna hear. Bye.